You could probably see it on camera. This is a really bad dent. Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Today we're going to be working on the 7th gen again. So we're going to fix this dent right here. We're going to fill it in and we're going to try to make it look stock again. So you could probably see it on camera. This is a really bad dent. It actually looks a little worse on camera, but it definitely needs to be done. If you look here, you can see that there's actually a huge gap. Now you can see into the door. So we're going to fix this today. So I'm probably going to start with sanding, then I'll fill it in. This is a big area to fill in, but I really don't want to pull it. I have fixed this on my other 7th gen. I had a black EX and there was a huge dent right here, worse than this one. Ended up fixing it and it looked stock again. So we're going to fix this right now. So after doing some sanding, I used some Bondo body filler. This does have hardener in it, so you do want to make sure you mix it thoroughly so all of it does harden rather quick and it actually works well. I did also want to mention that I did sand an inch over on both sides so the Bondo has something to stick to, and when I start sanding I'll be able to form the Bondo to the rest of the body a little bit easier when it's a little bit over the dented area. I know filling a dent this deep with Bondo isn't ideal, and I actually had to go over a few times, and this is what it looked like after the first pass. Alright, so the first step is done. All we have to do is let it cure. It's basically done and cured, so I'm going to mix up some more. I used hardener with the Bondo, the base Bondo, so we're going to fill it in some more, but as you can see, it's still got a ways to go. It's still pretty deep, so going to fill it in as much as possible, and we'll start sanding and getting it looking stock again. But I am going to have to make this part come out a little bit more because this is going to be a flatter area. This part is going to contour a little bit with this quarter panel, and then we'll start sanding once we fill it in some more. This is the second pass with the Bondo. It does look better, but it's still not done, so I do need to add on some more Bondo, but it is looking much better. It's looking better than it did, at least when we started. And this is what the dent looked like after adding Bondo for the last time. It's definitely far enough out. It's not going to be perfect. Pretty sure you want to pull this out or cut it out if you wanted it actually perfect, but I was pretty happy with how far it came out, so it was time to sand. So I think it's going to come out really good. That's what it looks like from the inside. So yeah, we're just gonna start sanding, getting this done. It's been about 30 minutes. This has hardened quite a bit. So yeah, definitely excited to see the finished product. So we're gonna start sanding it, gonna make sure it matches really well with all of the lines and just clean it up, and then we'll paint it. And this is after sanding it for maybe 40 or 50 minutes, and it does look much better. Obviously, you can see that I did need to at least add another layer or two because there was air bubbles that were probably trapped in there to create spaces, and also there is a little gap between the door and the fender. So it's not perfect. I did need more time. I actually didn't have enough time on this project, so it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but it is looking much better. It doesn't look like a huge dent anymore. And this is what it looked like after some more sanding. Definitely does look great. Obviously, it does have some air bubbles in there, and I just used a block so it came out a little straighter, and it did conform with the panels a little bit better, and I think it looks great, but obviously it did need another layer or two, which we did not have the time to do, just to top it off and make it look a little bit smoother. This is what the Bondo looked like after I was done sanding. Obviously, I could have done a little bit better with more time and being able to add a few more layers just to make sure it was actually fitting exactly how it did before. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect. This is a quick job, and this is a really cheap and easy way to fix it. And I do try to make my projects look the best that they can, and this is what I was able to do in about, I think, 3 hours. So it's not perfect, but I am happy that the dent is gone. And in those 3 hours, the majority of the time was just waiting for this Bondo to dry and harden, which was really annoying, and I was just trying to get as much done as possible. And this is what the dent looks like after being Bondoed and painted. I did use some paint that does match to the stock paint. It's obviously not perfect. I am happy that the dent is gone, and I could have done better with more time, but for the time that I did have, I think it looks a lot better. I'm definitely not a professional at doing body work and working on dents, and this was a really bad dent to begin with. It definitely needed more time, but for now, this will have to do.